At first glance, you may think, what's the point of fixing this broken water hose nozzle? Its color has faded, the plastic lever is broken, so you can't spray water anymore. Why would you even take your time to try and fix something that cost a few bucks to replace? This hose belongs in the trash. That's what I would say before as well. But let me explain a couple of reasons for this repair. First thing is critical thinking and problem solving. I feel very fortunate to have quick access to almost anything I want or need. With a simple swipe on the phone, I can order a new one which would be delivered to me in a couple of days or even within hours, which is considered to me as exceptional logistics coordination. Thank goodness for all this great new technology and manufacturing marvels that mass produce products every single minute. But sometimes I just feel that we rely on these machines and computers to do everything for us. Machines make us everything, so we won't use our hands. Computers think for us, so we won't use our minds. Sometimes I feel I just want to use my brain, do a little bit of critical thinking, and use my hands to either make or repair something. This repair isn't meant to be perfect in any way. It is meant to get the gears in my head turning, to try and overcome a hurdle, to solve a puzzle. In this case, to make a small repair. Because we can't be reliant on machines all the time. What if one day the machines turn off? I highly doubt that would happen, but the reality is that we have so many things solved for us by advanced technology, so we sometimes don't even try to fix things anymore. So I believe it's important that once in a while I build or repair something myself. Second is that you learn to value and appreciate things. As mentioned, this is a replaceable hose nozzle. Much nicer ones out there, and especially if they're brand new. But the one thing a new nozzle wouldn't have is some sort of emotional value. To be able to say, I fixed this nozzle with a piece of copper wire and an old paintbrush handle that I had saved in case someday I needed it, that's something that makes me appreciate repairs like this even more. A couple of years ago, I had repaired an old metal chair, which I had done a video on. And guess what? I still have that chair, and I'll probably repair it again when it comes time. Give it a sand down and add a new coat of paint. Make it look good again. Lastly, I can't help but feel some sort of disconnect to everything else around me when doing a repair. I'll be honest, some repairs are frustrating and can surely give me a headache, but for the most part, they're fun and therapeutic. I'll tell you one thing though, my plants are certainly thankful I did this repair. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It would really help out the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.